Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe an occasion when you got positive feedback for your work that you did.
In my past time, I received good response due to my work, but here I would like to explain an incident when I saved the life of a boy. When one day I was walking along a lake and I saw something emerging in the lake, and first of all I got confused. Is it an animal or a human? After few seconds, I realized it is a boy, and I jumped into the lake and I saved his life. After hearing this news, his parents came to my home and they appreciated me a lot and they thanked me. And that is the reason why I got positive response, and the whole village came to my house and they appreciated me a lot.
All right, that's very good. You have spoken for 1 minute 58 seconds.
नहीं,
Okay, this is very good. Yeah,
वही
44 seconds. So
Yes.
minimum time is 1 minute and maximum 2 minutes. So you need to elaborate more. You can dramatize the situation.
Okay.
Like, when I saw the boy drowning in the lake,
Yes.
I jumped there and I swam to him. By the time I caught him, the water had gone in his nose and mouth, and then I took him to the bank of the lake, and after that I became a hero in my village. Right?
Yes.
Something like that. Just try to dramatize the situation, and you got to speak more, not 44 seconds. At least 1 minute, 10, 20, 30 seconds, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, we move on to speaking part 3. Do you like helping others?
Yes, I like helping others because I am very friendly. I have very friendly nature. When I saw someone,
When I see.
when I see someone needs help, and someone is and someone who are struggling in his life, not begging to the people, and I used to help.
I usually help them, not used to.
I usually
help them.
help that kind of people, and I feel very good to help others.
All right. Or you can say, I am used to helping them.
Okay.
I am used to helping them means it is my habit.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Overall, it's good, but just in part 2, try to speak more.
Sir, actually, I forgot our end topic
No problem.
and heading.
Okay, no problem. That's okay. But next time, be careful and write down some points as well.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you.